Welcome to the first in a new series of model rail videos, designed to be enjoyed alongside our monthly magazine. And, like the magazine itself, this video breaks new ground. It's innovative and it's exciting. You'll see lots more of the layouts and models that we've already featured in model rail, but with the extra benefit of live action. We'll also be showing you some pioneering driver's eye shots too, but more of that later. We'll be looking at garden railways, so where better to begin than in Buckinghamshire, here at Beaconscot, the world's oldest model village, complete with its own very extensive Gauge 1 railway. Very few people could hope to build a system as big as this, but if you've got designs on a railway in your garden, we'll show you what can be achieved and just how it can be done. If you've got lots of space, you can really go to town on a model railway, indoors or out. In this programme, we'll be showing you not just great models, but we'll also be demonstrating some expert techniques which you can use on your model railway, whether it's in the garden, the garage, the loft or a bedroom, anywhere. You can create a fantastic model railway in the smallest of spaces. So, in this first model rail video, we'll be looking at Trevor Jones' 00 gauge garden railway, complete with its revolutionary rubbercrete track base. We'll also check out Dave Shakespeare's Tetley's Mills, a large 00 gauge BR steam era layout in its very own custom-built room. Model Rail's Dave Lowry, one of the country's top professional model makers, reveals the secrets of airbrushing to create a top quality finish. Plus, Model Rail's Masterclass, together with exclusive behind-the-scenes prototype sequences, so that your railway doesn't just look good, but it'll run like the real thing too.